Hey everyone, welcome to our first tutorial video on Knowt. If you haven't seen Knowt or heard about it, Knowt basically is an app that allows you to create assignments automatically from any class material. All you have to do to get started is visit knowt.io, which we're on right now, or another link that I'll go over in a few seconds. But if you do go to knowt.io, it's very easy to get started. All you have to do is click the top right, which is login, and you'll get taken to the app. So this is app.knowt.io. So you can actually go directly to this page, or you can go through knowt.io. And in this tutorial, we'll just go through how to sign up and create your first class. So signing up is really simple. You just enter, you go through to this tab here, you click sign up, you enter in your name, so I'll enter in my name. I'll enter in my email. So I've made a special email for this walkthrough. And I'll log in, I'll create a password, and I will just confirm it. And then I'll go through the entire process with you. So you can check mark this to keep yourself updated on Knowt features, or you can unselect it if you'd like. Just click sign up, and you should get a verification code. Now, if your verification code um, is sent correctly, everything should be good. You just need to enter it here. Sometimes there may be an error. If you don't receive a verification code, you can click down here, and we'll send you a new code to the same email. But let's go over to my email and enter in that verification code. So as you can see here, this is what I have. I can even just actually select over it and copy and paste it into the account, and I should be good to go. So there, we've verified the account, and now all I have to do is sign in. So I'll sign in with the same credentials I just created. And there we go, we're logged in. So once it loads, you can actually choose between a student and a teacher path. So first we go over, why we are doing what we are doing. And so at Knowt, we always believe in a better way to learn. And really, this is a platform to make it easy and effective for you. And so we just ask for a little bit of information to give you the best experience. So obviously, the first question we ask is, are you a student or a teacher? If you're a student, go ahead and click next. If you're a teacher, switch over. So this is a teacher walkthrough. So we'll go through the teacher account and show you how setting that up is. So here, we just ask you a few basic questions. What school do you teach? So I'll just do Knowt. What grade do I teach? I'll do 8th grade, and I teach history, and how many classes I teach for. And now you can also enter a referral code if a teacher ambassador has referred you or any of your friends have referred you. We don't have one, so we'll just click next. And you'll get this really neat walkthrough of all of the features. So this I don't want to spend too much time on, but you can read through and actually look at what is Knowt all about. So you can get in and start using Knowt. And here you see the full platform. So we've pre-filled it with 3 default notes, and you'll see your classes screen here. So you can go ahead and actually get started and create your own first class. So you just click the plus button and you'll be able to create a class. Here it's very simple. We ask you to enter your class name. So I'll just do geography, and I'll actually go enter in a description here, and I'll go pick my grade. So I picked 8th grade, and my subject is history. I'll get a section name, so I'll do section 10, and I'll pick a class color. You can even connect to Google Classroom, though that feature is not available right now. It will be in a few weeks, and maybe by the time you're watching, it will be. You can always click on it to confirm. We'll let you know if it's not out yet. Then from there, you can set your grade cutoffs, or the assignment weightages. So first we'll go over assignment weightages. Here you can set different assignment types that are in your class. So if you want to do homework, you can have homework be weighed at 10%, classwork be weighed at 20%. You can add more types. So if I want to do like a quest, which is like a mix between a quiz and a test, I can do that. And I can change the percentage, and that'll work as expected, or I can remove the ones I don't want. And you can even set a particular color for each one to recognize. And then grade cutoffs, it's very simple. We've laid out like a default value for you, but you can adjust this to however your class is structured. So if your class doesn't have an A plus as a 95, you can lower it, and we'll adjust all the grade cutoffs below that. So it works really well, and I think I'm happy with this, so I'll just go ahead and press create. Yeah, and then in a few seconds, you'll have your class created. So one thing I did want to mention is if you do want to share notes with your students or create assignments, you have to enter notes inside of this class. So anything outside of this class is for you and for you only. So only you can have access to that. None of your students will, and you can't share those notes currently. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll go through setting up your class with your students, and creating your first assignment. Thanks.